Okay, hi guys. First, I'm sorry that this message is coming a little later than usual. My family and I worked outside all weekend on house projects, and the time yesterday got away from me. So I'm just now getting to sending out my weekly message. So here it goes. As we head into this week, week 4 of distance learning, we now know that this will be our motto for the rest of the school year. And I want to say how sad that makes me. For those of you who I've had all year, it makes me very sad that I don't get to see you every day and I won't get to say goodbye to you. And to those who were new to me this trimester, I'm really sad that I only got to see you about 3 times before we went to this digital model, and that I won't get to know you over the course of this trimester quite the same as I would have if we were face to face. Building and maintaining relationships is so much more challenging digitally, and I wish we could be face-to-face enjoying learning and the beautiful spring that we are having. Please know that I'm here to chat about school, about other things, about whatever you need. I'm here and I miss you guys dearly. This week is our last week of chemical reactions. We will be doing chemical reactions D, which looks at the mathematical relationship between our products, so things going into a chemical reaction, and our reactants. Had those backwards. Our products and our reactants. Products being the things coming out of a chemical reaction, reactants being the things going in. And this will allow us to calculate the amount of materials, whether products or reactants, that we need or that we can produce. Think of it like cooking, okay? You have your recipe, that's like our balanced chemical equation, and now we're gonna look at how we can use that recipe to make a double recipe or a triple recipe or a 1.33 recipe, okay? Or using that recipe to decide if I only have half of the ingredients, like amount-wise, how many of my products can I make, okay? You may have heard that Friday and Monday are non-school days. Now, because we're all at home, this means that us teachers won't have office hours. We are doing professional development, and you aren't required to do anything for school. So to accommodate these days, I've modified our due dates a little, and you can find the complete calendar in this email. But as a quick synopsis, Chemical Reactions D opened up today. It will be due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. So just like the Chemical Reaction C one was last week. And we'll lock with no chance for submission next Wednesday, so the 6th of May. Next week, we'll be focusing on a review and then an exam over all of chemical reactions, so we will not have any new material. But as a reminder, I won't have my office hours on Friday, I won't have my office hours on Monday, and then I won't have my live lecture on Monday after or evening either. Okay, I will be available via email and possibly by appointment, but I would need you to communicate that with me. As always, if you have any questions or concerns or need help in any way, please let me know either via email or by coming to my office hours. One thing I'm going to request, parents, if you are emailing me back to this message, please make sure you are including the name of your student, because it does not tell me that when you reply to an email. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great week.